Hi, this is Catlin with another tutorial on how to manage your categories. If you go to the top of your screen and click Manage and select Manage the Site, it'll take you to a page where you can select Manage Categories. Click on that and it will take you to the Manage Categories page, and it will show you any categories you've already created and allow you at any point to add, change, delete, or rename categories. For most teachers who are using their site to support multiple classes, they're going to want to use their category groups to separate their class periods or groupings of students. So for example, you'll see my first category group says Period 1 English, and if I want to add to that for my second period, I type in Period 2 English and then Create, click Create, and that will create a second category group. So I want to add a third category group and call this my leadership class. Type that in and click Create. And those will be my different groupings of students: Period 1 English, Period 2 English, leadership class. And then you'll see here in this kind of beige color, it says reading materials. If I want to add another category to my Period 1 English class, I will type in, let's say, Period 1 Discussion. It already says it's going to go into my Period 1 English, so I click Create. And it will show up under Period 1 English right here. And if at any point I want to move these around, I just click and drag. So Period 1 Discussion will appear before reading materials. If I want to add another category, let's say to my leadership class, I go over here and select leadership class, and then I can type in the category name. So I'll put fundraising ideas and click Create. And that will show up underneath my leadership class. And then when I'm done making any changes, adding any categories, and at any point you can add a category group, add a category within the category group, you can rename a category, just click Update, you can move around the categories, then you click Save All Changes at the bottom. And if you go back to the home page just by clicking the little home at the top, then you'll see the changes in your sidebar underneath the categories right here. So you'll see Period 1 English with the subcategories Reading Materials, Period 1 Discussion, Period 2 Leadership Class. And you can create as many category groups and categories as needed.